Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Ainul Hayat, and today I want to show you guys how to make a portable light box. Okay, I use plywood as my main material. First I measure. This is the stand of the product. This stand is to make the product stable. I made the battery port to plug in my battery. I put the LED inside the box so that we can use the light to trace image. I connect the wire so that we can use the light. Let me test if it works. Yes, it works. Next, I use sandpaper to smooth the surface of the box. And then I spray my product with black spray. And our product is done. That's all from me. I hope that you enjoyed the video and thank you very much. Bye bye.